It's confirmed that a 5.0 earthquake hit Ontario at approximately 1:42 p.m. Originally, it was rated a 5.5 magnitude earthquake, but they downgraded it to 5.0. The earthquake hit just north of Ottawa and managed to rumble areas across the province, including Windsor, Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. The earthquake lasted for about 30 seconds in Ottawa and rattled several downtown buildings. Some government employees have been sent home in Ottawa as the power was knocked out in parts of the downtown core. There have been some reports of paintings falling off walls, some broken windows, toppled chimneys, and TVs falling off its stands. People say that they even felt the earthquake in Chicago. My parents felt the earthquake. Starting off with my dad, he was on the second floor eating his lunch. Yeah. And all of a sudden he feels this rumbling, and all he thought was it's a big truck just passing by. And then later he found out that it was an earthquake. Mom was like doing stuff on her computer, and then the rumbling came, right? And then the guy beside her, he started panicking or something, right? My mom, like, all chilled or something, she's like, oh dude, just sit down, it's just an earthquake. But first, she also thought it was some like trucks underneath on like doing something. So yeah, my mom and dad felt the earthquake. Me and my sister were at school, and for some reason it didn't reach us. Well, maybe it did, we just didn't feel it. Or we were like jumping up and down something like. But yeah, we did. After school, I went on the internet and I found out that these earthquakes happen 2 to 3 times a year, but we don't feel them. This is the first one we felt. It was probably just like this. Yeah, I'm doing work. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay then. But if I actually felt it, like what I just showed you, I would be like, oh my god! Take cover! It's terrorists! We all know it's terrorists! Take cover! Nah, I'm just kidding around. Probably be like laughing at my friends pussying out, that's all. Now it's time for the common question of the week. Next common question of the week comes from PosterDude95, right here. That person asked, what are the 5 things that YouTube screwed up in? So tell me, YouTube, how are you gonna stop the oil leak? I only got one answer, so yeah, here it is.